Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Quincy here, your go-to guy for the latest and greatest in AI technology and web development. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because today I will introduce you to an AI tool that will save you time and boost your earnings. And with that, let's start the video.
Hey everyone, and today a brand new killer AI is here, and not only it could actually generate AI video, but you could also use preloaded AI avatar, and not only that, you could also make your own avatar by using your face to make AI generated videos. And right now, that is called Heygen. This type of website, like you could get on it. You could get on it for free. Make your own make your own AI generated videos for free. All you have to do is type in what your avatar want to say on the script, and pick a voice, and choose like a little template or like an interface in the video. It's just as simple. And it could be very beneficial when you're making testimonial videos, or like marketing videos, or even commercials. And hey, like if you're starting to have too many things on the table, you could easily just make your own avatar with your face on it, and basically use that as your very own avatar, similar to what I did. So let me show you how I did it. These are the videos I actually created, and you may actually see like something similar. And these two are the outro and intro of this video. And yes, if you hadn't caught it just yet, that was actually my clone avatar doing the intro. And if you already knew it, I wouldn't blame you. It is technically like a work in progress if it's that noticeable. And yes, and also if you go on to, and this is how you actually go to create an AI avatar. You simply go to video avatar. You click this button right here.
Hey guys, I'm Joshua, co-founder and CEO of Heygen.
And this video will basically explain how the avatar will act, and how it should sound, or how effectively will copy you.
So still footage.
You could pick either if you want like a still footage, basically a person that like just only talking and only staying in one place, or you want to pick motion and basically you just want to like walk and talk or basically move around while you're explaining stuff. For now, I
Yes,
want to pick
actually,
still, and I would rather pick like text instructions, but you could pick video instructions if you want to. Now, if you want to actually get like a very good AI avatar, you got to follow all this right here in the recommendation. Otherwise, it won't work as much. Like you have to pause each sentence. That's the most important part. And not to mention, it has to be between 2 to 5 minutes of footage, and that will be required. Oh, and like it doesn't matter like what you're actually saying in the footage, as long as you're actually saying something and like you're not moving your hands as much, you're actually like you're actually going to have a very decent AI tool. No, an AI avatar. You could either upload the footage that you already made, literally like before you were on the website, or you could just simply just record it on a webcam, which is very quick and straight to the point. And since I technically already did this, I don't have to do that. But all you have to do is just press the cam and mic right here and just choose the topic that you want to talk about. I would rather do freestyle and then press right here a 30-second recording. That's all you need. That's all they need. A 30-second recording of you just speaking so you could actually have your very own avatar. And then it should load, and like in about 2 to 3 minutes you should actually have like your avatar. And that's how I got these two right here.
Hey Quincy, your instant avatar is ready. Try creating videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy.
It is almost lifelike. It is almost lifelike, I could tell. But but like yeah, I could tell that it's like a little bit like a robotic, almost seems like AI-ish. So like I can understand that because it's not refined enough. All right, and also you could actually use the avatar to make videos now. Here's some of the videos I actually made using like the recent avatar that I made. Well, I mean, you probably already saw it by now, considered like it's the intro. And yeah, this is like this is Heygen. Like this AI software is definitely gonna be great if you're like tight on a schedule and you want a video really quick. And also, it'll be very great if you have marketing, or if you want to do commercials, or if you want to actually do like some fun videos of like pre made avatars. All right. And I can promise you this: this will be one of the top AI software AI software that most people are probably gonna get in the near future, because in the near future, a lot of people are going to have to actually like make videos even quicker. So it's only a matter of time until they use like artificial intelligence to make their own avatars, so that way they could actually like meet their video quota and not be late on their videos. And that is all for the Heygen AI software. This is going to be like the brand new AI video generator. This is going to be like one of the big deal AI software in the near future. And that's all I got for this AI software.
Remember, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest updates. Also, drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there are other AI tools you want me to review. If you need help with your website, go to schultzmediagroup.com or call 800-461-3650. This is Quincy from Schultz Media Group signing off.